Cast iron radiators are a brilliant choice for a traditional home. The amount of unique designs, colour options and bespoke hand finishes available mean that we're able to supply the perfect radiator for your project. Our range of cast iron radiators are reproductions based on original designs, some of which date back into the 19th century. All of these radiators are built and finished by hand, which ensures quality which will last a lifetime. There are several factors to consider when you are buying a cast iron radiator. These are as follows. The style. Which kind of design are you looking for in your cast iron radiator? Our most popular ranges are the traditional Victorian and Georgian designs. If you're looking for something to be a real centerpiece, the decorative range of radiators will be the perfect fit. The size and heat output required. Cast iron radiators are able to be built in almost any size configuration, as we assemble them from individual sections, so we're able to build the radiator as short or as long as you require. Our experienced team will be able to help you calculate your heating requirements, so please get in touch. The finish. We're proud to have as many finishes of cast iron radiators available as we do. Whether you want your radiator finished in a metallic paint, an authentic Farrow and Ball paint, a highlighted finish to make features pop, a traditional hand-finished antique effect, or even a high-quality mirror polished finish, we can achieve it. The accessories. Once you've decided on your radiator, we've got a set of radiator valves and accessories to complement it. We have matching cast iron radiator wall ties, sleeving kits, end bushes, and even the bleed valves on the radiator. When these all match, your radiator will perform brilliantly and look great doing so. After you've ordered your radiator, we'll check in with you to update you as to when your radiator will be ready for delivery. Dependent on the finish you choose, we can deliver your radiator next day, and from just 7 working days for a bespoke finish. Take care when receiving delivery of your cast iron radiators. They are extremely heavy. We recommend having several strong helpers available on the day of receipt. For in-depth guidance on receiving your radiator, please read the full buyer's guide on our website. We hope that this guide has helped you with your purchase of a cast iron radiator, and we're sure that your radiator will be everything you expected and more.